Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I think this is something basic, simple, and easy, and to beginners who don't know, this is a piece of cake. Anyways, it's just like how to cleanse yourself quickly and start the ritual work or your spell work. So all you need is like a little bit of holy water if you want. You can make your own. I'll do a video on it in the future, and I'll be having some in my own store that I'm working on, probably in January next year. So I'm just gonna take off these sunglasses real quick. Spray myself with some holy water, state that I'm cleansed. Could do a little 7 charkas cleanse. 7 charkas, clear and bright, cleanse the soul and feed the light and just feel good. Give yourself a little bit of that. You could use your Tibet bowl too, but we're working more with Selenite today. So what you want to do, and go ahead first, is grab your wand, point it up to the heavens, and get a little blessing into it so it can work good. My pages are turning around. So you can point your wand towards the heavens. In this time and in this hour, I call upon God's powers. God's light come down from the heavens into my wand, cleanse and charge it well. Help me now, channel you to help me in this very hour, so mote it be. Thank you, God, for your help. I love you. And now let's go to the part where we can cast a little circle so we are nice and protected. There's many different ways on how to do one, but I want to read this one that I found in this book, and I put my little tweak on it. So, earth, air, fire, water, spirit, elements of astral birth, I call you now, attend to me. In the circle, rightly cast, safe from psychic, curse or blast, I call you now, attend to me. From cave and desert, sea and hill, God and all the ascended masters, by wand, blade, cup, and pentacle, I call you now, attend to me. This is my will, so mote it be. So I have a protective circle around me, and you guys as well. Thank you, God and all the ascended masters. Please be present with me and help me. Please, Archangel, stand in for your corresponding elements. Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Metron, please stand in for your elements. I love you, blessed be. So now all you do, guys, is just go ahead and have your selenite wand, rub it like across your arm, and like just around your body like this. Don't let it touch you because you don't want to cut anything while you're cleansing yourself that you don't want to cut. By that I mean like your spiritual etheric body, like your cords, your DNA strands. You want to be careful if you don't know what you're doing. So this is just a simple, easy, like straight up getting the gunk out of you cleanse. If you had a hard day at work, just talking to a negative person, you just feel stuck in gunk. Just a nice quick little cleanse before you do some magic work, spiritual work, or if you just wanna, you know, have a nice little cleanse. Cleanse your legs and your body, and make sure to do behind you too, because that's where a lot of stuff is that you need to get rid of, so you can get rid of all of that and then just feel good. And you have your circle cast, guys. That's an easy way to cast it, and you don't have to do a very long in-depth version. I got some long ones that I might post in the description box down below. It could be as short or as long as you want. It's just your intention, just moving like your wand around you, creating a circle, calling upon the elements and the archangels, and boom, circles cast. Do your magic work, ask for assistance from the divine, and you shall receive. You can also say something that I forgot to say too, but it's negativity that invades my sacred space, I banish you with the light of my grace. You have no hold or power here, for I stand and face you with no fear. Be gone forever, for this I will say, this is my sacred space and you will obey. So that's circle casting protection. So when you cast a circle, only invite in beings of love and light, and the evil stuff can't come in. So there's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I open my circle, I want to do a little blessing for you. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, and Goddess Nyx's holy light, may you be rejuvenated, so mote it be. So there's a little blessing for you guys, and let's open the circle. So it's really easy. You can just say like, by earth, air, fire, water, and spirit, and all the ascended masters with me, I thank you. Hail and farewell, blessed be. Thank you for being present. I open my circle. But I'm just gonna read this little spell that I found in Sky Alexander's book. That's neat. I haven't really got a chance to read them. I thank you for your presence here and for the aid you gave to me. Until we meet another time, hail and I can't say that word right now. Hail and farewell, blessed be. So thank you to everyone who worked with me at the divine and the elements, earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. I release thee. Thank you, guys. And yep, your circle's open and you're done with your magic work. And if you want to leave or enter your circle, just stay and imagine sheer curtains so you can leave and enter real quick. And yeah, that's how you work with the selenite wand. Cast a basic circle. I'll leave more down below if you want a more in-depth ritual and all that stuff, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little magical video. Working on doing some more for you. Let me know if you have any questions down below, what kind of videos you want to see, how to meditate, how to connect with your higher self, and all those good things. Let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so you can be notified for future videos. Blessed be, merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, guys. Bye!